beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So let's make another stylish look. Today I'm gonna create a perfect reddish look by using this beautiful silk saree, as you can see, because red defines the romance, and I think that zindagi mein romance ho ya na ho, on screen it has to be. So let's get started. So now I'm gonna tuck this. I love this silk saree. My ma gifted me, and this is so beautiful. Now just leave my pallu. Actually, I'm gonna create the short pallu look here. It will look like a lehenga's chuni in front, and in back side it will be a little bit shorter. Now the most boring part, do pleating. Actually, I believe that people should do the experiment, especially in fashion. Break the old rule, because who makes the rule? Fashion is that what you can carry easily. मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए. Oh, these all quaps become the past things now. Where Sachini, I was dreaming of being that so-called Bollywood princess, and my prince will ride by Tatu Ghora, by horse, and will stand in front of me and will must say, "Oh baby, I am your sugar daddy." Oh, now the jokes are getting in wrong way. Anyway, let me back to the point. Just be yourself, because style is eternal. Here again the twist. I'm wearing this type of earring, and this is a pure acrylic clay earring. By the way, I made this. Kitni creative hu main, but people don't understand yet. So here I'm matching my oxidized necklace with this oxidized bracelet, not the earrings, because I'm feeling comfortable, so I'm feeling even stylish. And I already did my makeup, as you can see. So here I already created a sleek low bun, because I'm gonna create a little bit traditional look. And also I did my face makeup too. So I did here the yellow shade eyeshadow on my eyelids, and a very little highlighter, eyeliner, and chota egg bindi. And here is the another option, open pallu style. and this made my look. Now the look is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Come again with another crazy fashion hack. Bye bye.